Hi guys, welcome to Air to Cool. We're back again to another Navien. Of course, this time is no heat, only hot water, and this your guy. This is a three-way valve. It switches from heat to hot water on demand, but you have to take out the pump. It goes right here, circulator pump, and the guy is back there. Plus, at the same time, it was actually leaking water over there. This is a really long video, but that's why I only showed in this part. But if you ever lose your heat on your Navien and only hot water, or vice versa, there's a three-way valve. This guy. They're not easy to find. Well, you can get it, but it takes sometimes they take about a week to get. So make sure if you have a Navien, you can have one in stock. Peace.